A common feature for many PIC and AVR microcontrollers is supporting a voltage range between 1.8 and 5.5 volts. This feature is desirable for numerous reasons, as users may wish to lower their voltage to reduce power consumption, raise it to improve their noise floor in certain operations, or just match the microcontroller to the voltage of another part of their design. Whatever your reason may be, the Curiosity development platform can be adjusted to suit your needs. First and foremost is the Curiosity Nano boards. Let's use a PIC18 F56Q71 Nano board as an example. By default, the board will run at 3.3 volts. If you wish to run the board at another voltage, you must create or open a project, then under Projects tab, right-click on your desired project, go to Properties, then PKOB Nano. If your menu says Simulator instead of PKOB Nano, plug in a corresponding Nano, select the Nano under Connected Hardware Tool, hit OK, then reopen this window. Select Power under Option Categories, check Power Target Circuit, then input your desired voltage within the Curiosity voltage range under Voltage Level, then hit OK. MPLAB will need to communicate with the Curiosity Nano at least once for this change to take effect. The easiest way to do this is either reprogram or read the board. Additionally, you will have to select the appropriate VDD and MCC settings for certain peripherals such as ADCs, DACs, or voltage reference as appropriate to your project. Additionally, programming the Curiosity Nano board below 2.1 volts can trigger an error when programming. If you wish to program between 1.8 and 2.1 volts, you will have to program the board first above 2.1 volts, change the power settings to your desired value as shown before, then read the device to apply the new power setting. If you're using the Curiosity Nano with a breadboard or custom board, your Curiosity Nano is ready to go at this point. However, if you're pairing the Curiosity Nano board with the Curiosity base for clickboards, you have one more step. If you look closely at the Curiosity base for clickboards, there are two jumper resistors labeled V off and 3V3. Both jumpers must be removed with a soldering iron or similar tool to enable the baseboard to run at 5 volts. Otherwise, the internal power circuitry will override the Curiosity Nano settings and force 3.3 volts. With relevant jumper resistors removed and the appropriate power settings in MPLAB, your Curiosity Nano is now ready for operation in extended voltage ranges. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.